Okay, next in indeterminate form is the infinity raised to zero. So, ayan, let's see the example. Limit as x approaches infinity of x over 1x is equals to, let's try to find its, anong try pangitag iyang limit. So we have um infinity over 1 over infinity. 1 over infinity is equals to 0. So infinity raised to 0. So we have infinity raised to 0, just the same as this in indeterminate form. So how do you solve this one? So let's I'm going to rewrite. So yun. So yun. Next we have to do is to let y is equals to x 1 over x. So ang akong motain is get the natural logarithm of both sides, x 1 over x. So now, definition on y is equals to 1 over x ln x. That's because of the property of logarithm. The next is, pwede na ako ini-rewrite into ln y is equals to ln x over x. Okay. Um, okay. Again, kanina, that was y is equals to ln x over x. Diba? So, you have to do is to find the limit of both sides. Limit of both sides. Limit as x approaches infinity of ln y is equals to limit as x approaches infinity ln x over x. So if we try to find its if I try of pangitang iyang limit, ln infinity is equals to infinity over infinity. Does it become, ako lagi substitute, alright? And then ln infinity is just equal to infinity. So, ano siya? It's the same as the indeterminate form, which can be used with and Hospital's rule. So what we have to do now is ako sa ning i-neglect ning kaning sa left. Alright? Ako sa ning i-neglect ning sa left. And then mag-focus tayo sa right. Okay? So ako sa i-right ang naa dire. So boss, limit as x approaches infinity. Ay, wait lang ako sa clear. Limit as x approaches infinity of ln y is equals to the limit as x approaches infinity of ln x over x. Okay, using the L'Hopital's rule, you can get the derivative of ln x is equal to 1 over x, and then the derivative 1 over x na siya. And then the derivative of the denominator is 1. So this is just equals to 1 over x. Or wait lang, baka nakalimutan. Dapat din na siya yung limit as x approaches infinity, 1 over x, ay over 1 is equals to limit or equals to 1 over x na siya, diba? So 1 over substitute x with infinity, that would be equals to 1 over infinity is just 0. So, mo na ba ni siya ang final answer? No, it's still not yet the final answer since napamatay ln y. Napamatay ln is the right side. We only need the limit of x as x approaches to infinity of the function y. So dapat tangtangon ning ln. So how do we do that? Ako sa i-gawas ang ln. So ako sa i-write siya the pinakagawas like this. Ln limit as x approaches to infinity, the function y is equals to 0. So to get rid of ln, we can just write e ln limit of x approaches to infinity, y is equals to e raised to 0. So what happens is, ang e, siya na bahala sa ln. Ang tangtanganan siya, mabilin diha sa ubos is limit as x approaches infinity of the function y is equals to e raised to 0 is just equals to 1. So the answer is 1. That's the final answer.